Okay, I wanted to show you the new spray booth ready to go for has the Lazy Susan on it. Right there is the my filter, and up here are the LED lights that I put in. I found this old crate on the road. It looks like I think it's an Amazon delivery box. The guy next to me had this really cool fan. You can't feel it, but it's pushing out really good air there. And there's all the spoons getting ready to be airbrushed. I have a hose that I put on the end, and it goes all the way outside to keep the emissions down. So we're getting geared up here. It's pretty exciting. It'd be my winter hobby to airbrush a whole bunch of custom spoons.